Okay, pupils, we are on this year 3 Guess Math Plus 3 workbook on page 18. We are on module 3 right now. Sing a song. Activity 1. Look and write am, are, is. So this is verbs to be. So we have am here, are and is. So basically am is only used with the pronoun I. And then is used with a singular noun or pronoun. And then are is a plural of is. So it is used with a plural noun or pronoun. So let's take a look at number 1. So Jim throwing the ball. So Jim is singular pronouns. So we have this one is. And then number 2, Tom and Brad playing volleyball. So basically Tom and Brad is considered as plural noun. So we have this are here. And then number 3, so whenever you see I, so the verb to be is am. I am hitting the ball. Number 4, Sam and Matt playing tennis. So the form is the same as number 2. So we have are here. Number 5, Dylan playing the guitar. So this is same as number 1. So Dylan is, because Dylan is just a single person or singular noun here. Number 6, Debbie and Beth dancing. So we have this one considered as plural noun. So we have are here. So Debbie and Beth are dancing. So next we move on to activity 2. Look, follow the lines and write. So number 1, so the root of the blue line is here. So we have this ball called volleyball. So there, because we have 2 persons here, so they're playing volleyball, and then full stop. So next we have number 2. So number 2, purple line. So this one basically you need to use he because this is a boy. So he is. So the verb to be, because this is singular pronoun, so we need to use is. So he is. So what is he doing? So he is throwing. Throw. And then we add ing, throwing the ball. And then remember the full stop. And then the ball, we have double L here. And then next, maybe I'm minimizing it a bit. Okay, number 3. So we have green line here. So it goes to this something like tennis racket. So number 3. So this is a female, a girl. So we need to use she. So basically you can use she's or simply she is. So this is singular pronoun. We need to use with the verb to be, we need to use is. So she is or she's playing. So playing, what sport is that? So this is tennis. And then number 4, we have this pink color here. So it goes to this guitar. So again, this is a female, a girl. So she. The verb to be that we use is. You can write the contraction form here if you like. So I just write in full form. So she is playing. So the musical instrument is the guitar. So guitar, G-U-I-T-A-R, guitar. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, we finished this page. So that's it for this page. Page 18 of Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the written contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join it.